Today, we're tackling a crucial topic that's affecting more and more people around the globe: kidney health. Kidney-related problems, including chronic kidney disease, CKD, and kidney failure, are on the rise. This uptick is concerning because it means more folks are needing treatments like dialysis to remove harmful wastes and extra fluid from their blood. This not only disrupts everyday life, but also puts a strain on our health systems. A lot of this increase is due to poor diets, inactive lifestyles, and more common cases of diabetes and hypertension. But here's some hopeful news. There's a growing interest in natural ways to boost kidney function and ward off serious issues like CKD. Among the promising options, certain fruits stand out for their incredible kidney cleansing abilities. These fruits are packed with vital vitamins, powerful antioxidants, and plenty of fluids, all of which help cleanse toxins, reduce inflammation, and support urinary tract health. This not only helps your kidneys do their job better, but could also lessen your chances of needing dialysis. In this video, we're excited to share with you the top 3 fruits known for their superb kidney detox abilities. Not only are these fruits tasty, but they're also loaded with benefits that are great for your kidneys. We're here to show you how these fruits can be a tasty part of your diet and help keep your kidneys in tip-top shape. Studies upon studies have underscored the positive effects these fruits have on kidney health. From lowering the risk of developing kidney stones to enhancing urinary tract function and flushing out toxins, the advantages are impressive. And it's not just the scientists who say so. Many people have told their stories of how these fruits have markedly improved their kidney health. Together, these scientific findings and personal success stories build a strong case for making these fruits a regular part of your diet. By doing so, you're taking a powerful, natural step towards supporting your kidney health and steering clear of dialysis. So, if you're ready to learn about these amazing fruits and how they can help your kidneys, stick around. We're about to dive into some delicious details that could make a big difference in your health. And don't forget, if you find this video helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more health tips like this one. Kidneys are vital organs that keep us healthy by filtering waste and extra fluid from our blood, which we then get rid of through urine. These bean-shaped organs sit on either side of the spine, right below the rib cage. They're not only masters at maintaining our body's electrolyte balance and blood pressure, but also play a key role in regulating our internal environment by managing acid-base balance. Kidneys even produce crucial hormones that help control blood pressure, make red blood cells, and ensure our bones stay strong. Yet kidneys can be vulnerable to several common health issues. Chronic diseases like diabetes and hypertension are top culprits of kidney damage. In people with diabetes, high blood sugar levels can harm the small blood vessels in the kidneys, hampering their waste-filtering functions. High blood pressure can also damage kidneys over time by causing the arteries around them to narrow, weaken, or harden, reducing blood flow. Other threats include urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and prolonged use of certain medications harmful to kidney tissues. Moreover, unhealthy lifestyle choices like poor diets, inactive lifestyles, and smoking further contribute to kidney health decline. It's critical to recognize these risks and take steps to safeguard kidney function, stressing the importance of a balanced diet, regular exercise, and steering clear of harmful substances. Detoxifying the kidneys involves clearing out toxins and waste that can accumulate, ensuring they can efficiently filter blood, regulate body fluids, balance electrolytes, and produce vital hormones. Without regular detoxification, toxins may build up, impairing kidney function and heightening the risk of conditions like chronic kidney disease or kidney stones. Some fruits are especially beneficial for kidney detox because of their high antioxidant, vitamin, and essential compound content. These fruits support kidney health by flushing out toxins, reducing inflammation, and enhancing urinary tract health. For example, certain fruits have natural diuretic properties that increase urine production to more effectively eliminate toxins, while others are rich in antioxidants that protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. Now, as we delve deeper, let's explore how our dietary choices significantly impact kidney health. the foods we eat can either support or undermine kidney function. Opting for nutrient-rich foods and limiting harmful substances is vital for keeping our kidneys healthy. Among the beneficial dietary choices, specific fruits have shown powerful detoxifying effects. By understanding and integrating these fruits into your daily eating habits, you can actively enhance your kidney health and fend off potential problems. Let's kick things off with our first superstar fruit for kidney detoxification: cranberries. These small, tart berries pack a hefty nutritional punch and are beloved for their health-boosting qualities. Loaded with vitamins C, E, and K, dietary fiber, and a plethora of antioxidants, cranberries don't just support kidney health, they enhance your overall well-being. Cranberries contain special compounds like proanthocyanidins and quinic acid, which are particularly beneficial for the kidneys. Proanthocyanidins are powerful antioxidants that prevent harmful bacteria from clinging to the walls of the urinary tract. This action is crucial in preventing urinary tract infections, UTIs, which, if recurrent, can lead to more severe kidney issues. Quinic acid plays a key role in preventing kidney stones, further bolstering kidney health. Moreover, the antioxidants in cranberries combat free radicals and reduce inflammation, aiding the kidneys in their essential detoxification role. There's robust scientific backing for the benefits of cranberries on kidney health. Studies repeatedly show how effective cranberries are in promoting urinary tract health and staving off infections. For instance, research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that regular consumption of cranberry products significantly lowers the incidence of UTIs, particularly in women. Another study from the Journal of Urology noted that drinking cranberry juice reduces the likelihood of recurrent UTIs. Incorporating cranberries into your diet is both simple and tasty. You can sprinkle fresh or dried cranberries in salads for a zesty flavor kick, or blend them into smoothies and juices. If you opt for cranberry juice, choose the unsweetened variety to minimize sugar intake. Cranberries also make a healthy and delicious addition to baked goods like muffins and scones. Here's a quick and delightful cranberry smoothie recipe to help you get started. Cranberry smoothie recipe. Ingredients: 1 cup fresh or frozen cranberries, 1 banana, 1 cup Greek yogurt, half a cup of orange juice, 1 tablespoon honey, optional for added sweetness, ice cubes, optional for a colder drink. Instructions: place the cranberries, banana, Greek yogurt, and orange juice into a blender. Blend until smooth. If you like your smoothies a bit sweeter, add honey to taste. For a chilled version, add ice cubes and blend again until smooth. Pour into a glass and enjoy a refreshing drink that's also kind to your kidneys. By making cranberries a regular part of your diet, you can tap into their incredible benefits to boost your kidney health and overall vitality. Sliding into number 2 on our list is watermelon, a fruit that's as refreshing as it is beneficial for your health. Packed with water, about 90% of its weight, watermelon isn't just your perfect pick for those scorching summer days, but also a nutrient powerhouse. Loaded with vitamins A, C, and B6, and enriched with antioxidants like lycopene and the amino acid citrulline, watermelon is a must-have for anyone focused on maintaining optimal kidney health. The key to watermelon's benefit for the kidneys lies in its impressive hydration capabilities. Staying hydrated is essential for your kidneys to function properly, as they need enough fluids to flush out toxins and waste sufficiently. Watermelon's high water content ensures that your body stays well hydrated, helping your kidneys cleanse your blood and remove waste through urine. Moreover, watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production and further supporting the detox process. The antioxidants in watermelon, especially lycopene, protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage, which can lead to chronic kidney disease and other complications. Additionally, the citrulline in watermelon helps enhance blood flow and relax blood vessels, which can boost kidney function and lower the risk of hypertension, a common cause of kidney harm. Scientific studies back up the health benefits of watermelon, particularly its detoxifying effects. Research indicates that watermelon's high water content and diuretic properties can help dilute the concentration of harmful substances in the kidneys, thus promoting kidney health. For example, a study published in the journal Food and Nutrition Research noted that consuming watermelon improves hydration and supports renal function. Watermelon is frequently recommended by health experts as a natural approach to prevent kidney stones and promote urinary tract health. Adding watermelon to your diet is both easy and delightful. Here are a few ways to enjoy this juicy fruit. Fresh slices. Simply slice up some watermelon for a quick, hydrating snack. Smoothies. Blend watermelon with other fruits like strawberries or a hint of mint for a revitalizing drink. Salads. Toss watermelon cubes into salads for a burst of sweetness. It pairs wonderfully with ingredients like feta cheese and cucumber. Here's a quick recipe for a watermelon salad to get you started. Watermelon salad recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups cubed watermelon, 1 cup cucumber slices, half a cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh mint, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon balsamic vinegar, salt and pepper to taste. Instructions: in a large bowl, mix the watermelon cubes, cucumber slices, feta cheese, and fresh mint. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the olive oil and balsamic vinegar. Drizzle the dressing over the salad and toss gently to mix well. Season with salt and pepper according to your preference. Chill before serving to let the flavors meld. By integrating watermelon into your daily meals, you're not just treating your taste buds, but also providing your kidneys with powerful support to enhance their detoxification efforts and overall function. Rounding out our top 3 is the mighty lemon, a vibrant yellow citrus fruit that packs a tart punch and a hefty dose of vitamin C. Lemons are not just flavor enhancers. They're a powerhouse of essential nutrients that bolster our immune system, aid in collagen production, and serve as potent antioxidants. A standout feature of lemons in kidney health is their high content of citric acid, which significantly benefits the kidneys by preventing kidney stones. Citric acid works by increasing citrate levels in urine, crucial for binding calcium, the primary component of kidney stones, thus preventing their formation. This natural mechanism not only reduces the risk of kidney stones, but also supports overall kidney function by enhancing the body's ability to stay hydrated and flush out toxins. The effectiveness of lemons in promoting kidney health is well documented in scientific research. Studies, including those published in prominent journals like the Journal of Urology, have shown that regular consumption of lemon juice elevates urinary citrate levels and lowers the risk of recurrent kidney stones. Consequently, many health experts recommend lemon water as an easy, natural method to enhance kidney health and prevent stone formation. Incorporating lemons into your diet can be done in various enjoyable and straightforward ways. Lemon water. Begin your day with a refreshing glass of warm lemon water by squeezing the juice of half a lemon into warm water. This simple habit is excellent for kickstarting your metabolism and supporting kidney detoxification first thing in the morning. Dressings. Create zesty salad dressings with lemon juice mixed with olive oil, a pinch of salt, and your favorite herbs for a fresh, tangy kick. Tea enhancer. Add a slice of lemon to your tea to boost vitamin C intake and infuse a refreshing twist. Here's a simple recipe for a lemon detox drink. Lemon detox drink. Recipe: ingredients: juice of 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon honey, optional for sweetness, 1 cup warm water, a pinch of cayenne pepper, optional for a detoxifying boost. Instructions: in a glass, combine the lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and honey. Pour in the warm water and stir thoroughly to blend all the ingredients. For an added kick, sprinkle in a pinch of cayenne pepper. Drink this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning for optimal detox benefits. By making lemons a part of your daily routine, You leverage their potent detoxifying effects to support kidney health and prevent kidney stones, ensuring your kidneys are functioning at their best. Cranberries, watermelon, and lemons each bring unique benefits essential for kidney health. From the antioxidant-rich and infection-fighting properties of cranberries to the hydrating and cleansing abilities of watermelon and the stone-preventing powers of lemons, these fruits are invaluable allies in maintaining healthy kidneys. We invite you to incorporate these fruits into your daily diet, not just for their delicious flavors, but also for their significant health benefits. Share your experiences or tips on using these fruits for kidney health in the comments below. Your advice could help others on their health journey. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful health content. Catch you in the next video.